Yes. Now, friends, I've changed our vehicle and done some bugging around. Of course, I mentioned that you can change the bugging according to your preferences. Now, what we're going to do, friends, is go to the object menu and use the shortcuts in the object. And the shortcuts are really an important part here. Here you can give the ambiance you want and convey the message you want. We can add the message to the stop section. For example, let's create an example like this. Stop can convey a message meaning stop here, or look, we have many objects here. The part of those objects that we will use the most is this friends. This is the pollution plugin right here, the pollution effect. When using this, don't forget to adjust the opacity parts from there after using this. You can adjust it as dominant as you want. Friends, it's a nice method. Look, you bring it like this, and from here you can also adjust the opacity settings. You can mark these in the visible and invisible parts. Look, there's a colorful part here too. You can mark it like this, do it like this, and like this. I'll lower the opacity a bit. Here is a very nice image, friends. Do not forget to do it in these parts, because there are joints. The beauty comes from this, friends. Look, it's creating a nice effect, just like you see here. I had changed this concrete door, friends. You can subscribe and add it like this, and also make a little transformation in that excess part. If you want to enlarge it a bit, look, it's left here. Let's increase the weak number a bit. That part will be completed. You can use it in different ways again. It can come on top. There's no problem at all. Then look, it has come here. You can use it the same way here. You can do it like this. Look at these parts. The reason these parts are visible on the ground is this, friends, because it joins on the ground. Look, if you adjust the joint point right on the ground, it won't be visible. If you leave it here, look, it won't be visible. Let's lift this part a bit higher, like this. This is the situation, friends. You can use the flowing parts on the ceilings. Look, Akan, this is a part of the dirty flow. It will be visible. It will look nice. It leaves a nice ambiance, as you can see like this. Here, this won't work. They say, here, look like this. There are different textures. I'm lowering the opaque parts a bit again, like this. You can sprinkle these around here and there. Friends, I'm leaving these parts to you. Look, it could be here as well. If the part is too big, reduce its size. Look, it looks like 1. I made it 0.5, guys. So half still looks big. I'm going to set it to 0.05. I'm going to set it to 0.2, as you can see. I'm setting it to 0.2 from here. And like this. Let's set it to 0.45. Let's make it a bit bigger. Yes. I'm duplicating this with the Shift key, like this. I did it this way with the unmanned command. There's a push. Here. Look, there's an overflow. We can delete them like this. Let's take a look from above. Yes. You can perform operations in these sections. I left the vehicle wrap matte. I will do it in a moment, guys. On the ground, we're going to do things like this. Look, normally here to strengthen. Some reflections there. We need to use water reserves. Guys, look, there are water accumulations. If we place these in various spots, like on the right and left of the vehicle and at the corners, we can enhance it. The image, let's do this like this. You can adjust the size of these. It can be a slightly damp. It will give an image. We can do it like this. And those dirt textures on the ground, guys. Look, I lowered the passive a bit, and I will increase the number a little. A situation like this can occur. It's a bit too big here. Number of